This screencast is about adding a voiceover to your iMovie project. If you notice when you're adding titles to photos, you don't have a lot of space. Sometimes students or teachers want to add a little bit more info, so there's not enough space to type it, so the best place would be to record it. So I'm going to simply tap the microphone in the lower right-hand corner. Notice nothing is selected right now, no photo on my device. Tap the microphone, and I have my playhead right at the beginning because that's where my recording is going to go. So as I'm talking, you see that the wavelength change, and when I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and tap record. It will count down. I attended the Samurai Teacher Camp in Downers Grove, School District 58 last weekend. The first session I went to was all about the latest apps for augmented reality. I learned about a sign language app that the Guinness Book of World Records has augmented reality in it, and these musical coins from Enchantium. Okay. Now I can either cancel, I can retake it, I can review it, or I can accept it. So I'm just going to tap accept. Notice now I have this purple line underneath my photos. I'll tap play. I attended the Samurai Okay, I messed up a little bit. I'll probably re-recorded. But from here there are some different options. I can tap my audio recording, and I can actually split it so I don't have to redo the whole thing. So let's say I made a mistake where it says like I attended the Samurai Teacher Camp in Downers Grove, School District 58 last weekend. I'm just going to kind of delete all that. So I'm going to put my playhead right where I'm going to split it. Select the audio, and then in the lower right hand corner tap split. Okay, now there are two separate recordings. So under recording 1, I can now tap delete and redo that recording. The first session I went to was all about Okay, if my voice isn't loud enough, many students tend to record a little bit too quietly. I'm going to select the clip and then tap the volume, and I can just decrease that a little bit, or I can increase. Notice the wavelength going up and down. If you don't see those wavelengths, tap the blue wavelength symbol next to the undo button. So when I tap it, now that goes away, and I tap it again, and now it's back. So that is how you do an audio recording in iMovie for iOS 8.